Welcome to the WordPress Photography Podcast, the podcast for photographers who want to learn how to get the most out of WordPress to grow their photography business. You don't need to be a geek to understand WordPress. Settle back and listen as we show you how. Now, here's your host, Scott Wyden-Kivowitz.
Welcome to episode 85. Today I am, in a way, happy and sad to say that this is the last episode of what I'm calling season 3 of the WordPress Photography Podcast. Normally, we take a break in August. We take the entire month of August off, and then come September, maybe around mid-September, we usually relaunch with a new season, with new episodes and new guests and things like that. But something happened. Not at Imagely, but me personally. And basically, my home studio and office is in a finished basement. And I had some water damage, and that put a damper on a lot of things. Right now, you might notice that the audio sounds so different. You probably noticed in the last episode, the audio does not sound very good. That is because I am in a cramped hardwood floor room in a guest room in our house, and my microphone setup is not one that I can easily just move with me with a laptop. It is a professional setup, and so I am using my headphones to record the audio for this podcast. That's also why there's no video, because my camera setup for recording the episodes is also not one that is easily movable with a laptop and the desk situation I'm in right now. So that's why the audio sounds weird. That's why you don't see video, and that is why we are calling season 3 a little bit earlier than we would have in the past. So once everything is done, this has given me the opportunity to sort of step up the game as far as the podcast audio quality goes. I am going to be doing some better sound dampening in the home studio once the damage is repaired. And so I hope that the audio gets even better, less echoes, less reverb, anything like that. And so with that, I am going to call it. This is episode 85, which is also the last episode of season 3. What I would like from you is a comment. Go to imagely.com/podcast/85 and just comment with what topics you'd like to learn about in season 4. What guests would you like to hear about in season 4? And I will spend the entire summer preparing all of that so that once my home studio is fixed up again, I can start recording those and get them all prepared for you for season 4 come September. One final note, so please comment at imagely.com/podcast/85. One final note is we are on the brink of launching automated print fulfillment lab integration for NextGen Pro. And this is going to be huge for the photography industry. So you might hear from me one more time, even though the season is technically ending, once we launch, so I can tell you about it. And I hope that you check it out once I come back and tell you about that. But we are very excited about that. Very, very excited about that. And I hope that you are as well. So thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribing wherever you subscribe. And I will see you in season 4 come September.
You've been listening to the WordPress Photography Podcast. To listen to other episodes and to subscribe to the podcast via iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and more, please visit imagely.com/podcast.